the Ranger utilities that are included with Pronto for Windows. So I've just opened up the Pronto for Windows package, and we're going to connect up to my PM3000. This is Bluetooth. I'm going to utilize serial number 1760. Now, normally you use these icons and tools here on the right-hand column, but Pronto also includes some other tools, and if you click on the Tools menu, you'll notice selections here for PowerMaster File Manager, PmMeter, PmWave, and TermView. Today we're going to cover the File Manager, PmMeter, and PmWave. So if I click on PM File Manager, it connects up to the instrument, and you'll notice that all the files that are in the instrument are listed. These .plcs, those are Pronto logger configuration files. There's also a couple NDM files, which are recordings that are actually here. And you can click on them and highlight them and upload them. If we click on File, and actually we'll click on Download File, you can save that into a particular project. Let's see here. I'm going to put it into project here, and we'll save it, and that file is in there. You can also utilize this to save configurations from one unit and then write them into a different unit. What this was originally intended to do is allow customers that had multiple units to synchronize their configurations from one unit to another. So we can highlight all these configurations that are inside the unit, and we can file and download the files, and I'm going to store these into the PM3000 config file. We'll click on Save, and it's going through and it's saving all these to my computer at this point. There's quite a few of them. Okay, so it's done there. At this point, you'll notice we have this select file to upload. And so if I had a different PM3000 that I wanted to put one of these files into, I could then connect up to that instrument, select my configurations that I wanted to put in there. Now with this, you would have to do it one at a time. However, we do support drag and drop from a different directory here, but you can click on Open, and it asks me if I want to replace it because I already have one in there that's named this. But you know, this is utilized for using and moving configurations that the user has created. So your configurations would typically be named differently. So that is PmFiles, or the PowerMaster File Manager. There's also a tool in here called PmMeter, and what this allows you to do is to view all the programmed channels at once. So you know how the PM3000 on the display, you can show 2 panels of 3 channels each. With the PmMeter, you can display all 16 parameters at once. This is also helpful with the PM2000. Again, you can display all your channels at once. So that's PmMeter. and you can do different things here. If you wanted to copy readings, you can copy it and then paste it into a Word document or what have you. Now, the third tool that we're going to cover here is called PmWave. Now, normally we say that the PM3000 and 2000 don't have waveform capture. Well, you can actually view waveforms real time, and you can edit and copy the graph images and then paste them into a Word document. You can capture the waveform data as well and paste that into a Word document if you'd like. You can come in here under, let's see, display harmonics, and you can view the different harmonics. You can turn off the fundamental, so it'll show you just the distortion. You can also show harmonic direction. So you can tell if the harmonic's coming from the source or from the load. And so that allows you to do some rudimentary waveform capture. But again, this is for something that you can take a snapshot just off of the display real time and paste it into a Word document or what have you. You can't take that data and bring it into Pronto per se. So, but it does allow you to view that data and save it. And that concludes today's overview of the Ranger utilities that are included with Pronto for Windows. At a different point, we will cover term view, but that's utilized more for a service type of application. Thank you.